Mars, the red planet. It sparks our imagination. We see red dust and dream of a second home. But hold on, let's be real for a minute. Mars is a harsh mistress. It's not as easy as hopping on a spaceship and starting a new life. Moving to Mars is a massive challenge. It's not just about the journey, which is hard enough. It's about surviving once we get there. Mars wants to kill us. The air is thin, the temperatures swing wildly, and radiation is relentless. We love a good adventure, don't we? But Mars is the ultimate fixer-upper. It needs a complete makeover before humans can live there comfortably. Think breathable air, drinkable water, and protection from the sun's killer rays. Let's dive into the realities of this Martian dream. We'll explore the science, the costs, and what the experts have to say. Buckle up, space fans. Mars is stunning, no doubt, but let's not be fooled by its red beauty. This planet is out to get us. First off, the temperature is brutal. Imagine the coldest winter on Earth, now multiply that by 10. That's a typical day on Mars. And then there's the air, or lack thereof. The Martian atmosphere is super thin. It's mostly carbon dioxide, which we can't breathe. Forget taking a stroll without a spacesuit. You'd suffocate in seconds. But wait, there's more. The sun blasts harmful radiation onto Mars. Earth's magnetic field protects us, but Mars isn't so lucky. That means cancer risk goes way up. Living on Mars means living underground, basically. Mars is a harsh mistress, that's for sure. It's a planet of extremes, and we humans are not built for it. We crave warmth, air, and protection. Mars offers none of those things. Let's talk money. Getting to Mars is mind-bogglingly expensive. We're talking billions, if not trillions of dollars. Just launching stuff into space is costly, let alone sending humans on a months-long journey. And once we're there, we can't just beam down supplies from Amazon. We'd need to create everything from scratch: housing, food, energy. It's like building a small city in the most hostile environment imaginable. Think about it. Every drop of water, every breath of air, would need to be manufactured or recycled. That's not just expensive, it's risky. One system failure, and the whole colony could be in jeopardy. The financial burden of Mars is enormous. We could invest those resources here on Earth, tackling problems like climate change and poverty. Doesn't that seem like a better use of our hard-earned cash? Section 4. Beyond the Red Horizon. Alternative Space Ventures. Look, I love space exploration as much as the next astrophysicist, but we need to be smart about it. Mars is just one option, and frankly not the most practical one. There are other exciting possibilities out there. Why not build a base on the moon? It's closer, easier to reach, and we could learn a lot about living in space. We could mine resources, conduct research, and even launch missions to Mars from there. Or how about focusing on near-Earth asteroids? Some are packed with valuable minerals. Mining them could revolutionize our industries and provide resources for future space endeavors. Let's not forget about our own planet. We can invest in telescopes, satellites, and robotic explorers to study the universe from afar. We can learn so much without even leaving Earth. Mars is tempting, yes, but it shouldn't blind us to the bigger picture. There are many ways to explore space, and some are more feasible and beneficial than colonizing a hostile planet. Section 5. The verdict is inexperts say not so fast on Mars colonization. Now, I'm not alone in my skepticism. Many scientists and space experts agree. Colonizing Mars is a long shot. It's not impossible. But it's not something we'll be doing anytime soon. The challenges are immense, the costs astronomical, and the risks too high. We need to be realistic about the limitations of our technology and resources. We can dream big, but we also need to be practical. Right now, our focus should be on solving problems here on Earth and exploring space in a sustainable and responsible way. Let's invest in research, technology, and international cooperation. Mars can wait, it's not going anywhere. And who knows, maybe one day, when the technology is there and the costs are manageable, we'll finally set foot on the red planet. But that day is not today.